two young ladies that have come from Manchester to entertain you up on stage this evening. They've come from Manchester, they performed with Shah Rukh Khan twice, apparently, alongside Atif Aslam as well, and Philip's first gig here as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together, give a warm welcome to two very beautiful and very talented young ladies who go by the name of Sonash. Big round of applause, please.
Thank you.
gentlemen, one more time, a big, big round of applause for Siraj, please! Wait, no. See, the thing is, I think they're warming up, and I think you deserve far more credit than they're giving you. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, please, as loud as possible. All the way from Manchester, I just want to ask you a couple of questions, right?
My first film was Gabiko Shiba Gum.
Okay.
And I did with India, and I remember sat on the sand on the sofa, crying my eyes out, and looking at the other sun, and dancing to Kuch Hota Hai Usme Vaste on Harmony Maa. Thank you.
And what about you?
I've never really watched the film recently. But that's one thing I do remember in South Africa. My talent. Big sort of lockdown because fancy my living room.
So what was your first film then? What was the first film?
I think it was how long ago? I just remember all the Shah Rukh Khan films.
All the Shah Rukh Khan films. Okay. How old are you guys, by the way?
I'm 16,
Uh-huh.
17.
And who's the lady? Yeah, I was going to say. Who's the lady over there giving directions from the corner?
This is my mom.
Your mum? Or both your mums?
And
Okay.
yeah, and her mother was a huge Jackie Chan fan.
Okay.
It was her absolute dream, my nanny's dream to meet you, sir. And I guess she's looking down from the heavens today and she must be so proud.
Wow, fantastic. That's beautiful. It's very nice, sir. कह रहे हैं कि इनके नानी आपके बहुत बड़े फैन थे, तो ऊपर से देख रहे हैं आपको। क्या बात? And what about mum? Mum